Plan on building something? You're a woodworker, you got a nice shop, or you're just a Dewalt fan, all of the above. I'm telling you, I got a new one here. I think you're going to be pretty excited about it because a lot of people have been talking about this new Dewalt tool and how they wish they would come out with one. There's going to be some controversy on this video though. Some people are going to love this tool, some people are going to hate this tool, and I'm going to give you my opinion on it. But let's take a look and see what Dewalt just came out with, what they just released information wise. All right, so let's talk about this new Dewalt tool, and I got the whole kit and caboodle. Is that right? Kit and caboodle. I got it. If you're a woodworker, I think you're really going to like this here. It's 20 volt max, brushless, all that good stuff, right? Oh, and FYI, if you're a subscriber to this channel, not only are you awesome, we got another video coming out today with another manufacturer that's very pesky, but they announced more tools as well. So look for that this afternoon. Okay, so this is the new Dewalt. It's a 20 volt max XR. Let me show you what we're talking about here. If you're looking at these right here, you probably know what we're looking at. What do you think that is? It's not a football. It's not a miniature football for like a Makita gnome. No, that's a biscuit joiner. Now, a lot of people are going to be excited about this. I already know a lot of people are going to be excited about this because people are leaving me comments. When's the biscuit joiner coming out? And I just got this information today. Let's take a look at this thing and see, you know, if you're going to like it or not. All right, so this is the model number right here. DCW682B. It's the 20 volt max XR brushless cordless biscuit joiner. Here's the desk selection knob, allows you to easily adjust between 0, 10, 20 biscuits sold separately. The fence allows users to quickly and easily adjust from 0 to 90 degrees. Now the tool only, not including the battery, which if you use, you know, a 5/8, it's not that much heavier. You're looking at 5.5 pounds. That's not bad. This thing looks really well built, by the way. I don't know, it could be all plastic, but I highly doubt that. This looks legit right here. So let's take a look at some of the other things that they are saying. It comes with a dust bag, spanner wrench, T20 Torx wrench, angled dust port, the airlock compatible dust port, which is good, and the 20 volt max XR brushless cordless biscuit joiner. That's a tool only. Now this is compatible. Oh, it has an electric brake, by the way. That's real nasty. Compatible with a Dewalt airlock system, you know, dust collection system, or a standard 35 millimeter dust extractor to minimize dust during cutting. It's real nasty. Now you're looking on a single charge, right? And I'm guessing this is with like a 5AH battery. You're looking at 300 joints and 600 cuts per charge. That's pretty good. That's not bad. Battery power, right? At just 5.5 pounds. That's light. I mean, there looks like to be a lot of metal on that tool. So let's take a look at some of these pictures here and I'll show them to you, and we'll talk about whether or not I think this is a good tool or not a good tool. Now, there is no price on this that I'm seeing. I'm actively working on trying to find a price for you, but let's take a look at some of these pictures. Now, here's the thing about a biscuit joiner. A lot of people say they hate biscuit joiners. A lot of people say they love biscuit joiners. Me personally, I don't think they're that bad. At the end of the day, you're just trying to get some wood, and you can see the adjustments here. You're just trying to get the wood to stick together, basically. And how you do that is with glue. That's your strongest bond, is the glue. These biscuit joiners are going to prevent these things from sliding around your boards if you're trying to put something together. It's going to also add a little bit of strength. Not as much as, say, a domino, right, from Festool that cost you $50,000. Or some dowels. But you can't always put dowels. Look at that. You can't always put dowels in your project. So biscuit joiner is the next best thing. Now there's going to be people that disagree with me and say that they absolutely hate them, and that's fine. I think they still have a place, and I'm pretty excited about this. I think it's going to add you extra strength, a little bit extra strength, and it's going to prevent those boards from moving around on you when you're trying to join them together. So again, this is coming out the end of May. This is the new Dewalt 20 volt max biscuit joiner. I'm curious to know what you think. I am working on getting a price for you. I will put that price in the description below for you to check it out. Also, let me know what you think. Again, I would love to hear your comments on what you think about the biscuit joiner. We'll be back with more videos soon. I got a video for you right here, and appreciate you stopping by.